So now we can look at this now, right? And we could measure. Again, we usually don't measure for this technique, but today we will, right? So I'm looking at the maximum width is here, and I see that this width here from zygomatic to zygomatic is similar to the height of the face. Okay, so that's good. So what I can do, basically, this is a square, right? It does look like a square because it tapers here, but the width and the height of the face are similar. So what I can do now, I take the width here, right? I establish arbitrarily where the width is, right? And then I put it here, right? So now that's the brow ridge. So now I have face and forehead. If this is going to be too small, we can make it big. It's not a big deal. So, but now that I have the face here, right, I can block in the eyebrows. They are fairly straight.